Want to design your own t-shirt in just a few minutes? In this video, I will show you how to make a t-shirt design in Canva using simple steps. First, log in to your Canva account. On the home page, click on the Create a Design button. In the search bar, type t-shirt and select the t-shirt option that appears. This will open a blank canvas in the right dimensions for t-shirt printing. Next, go to the Elements tab on the left side. In the search box there, type T-shirt design. You will see many design graphics and illustrations to choose from. Browse through the options and click on a design you like. It will appear on your canvas. Adjust its size and position so it fits well within the layout. After that, go to the Text tab from the left panel. Click Add a heading or any other text style you prefer. Type your own words or message that you want to display on the t-shirt. You can then move the text to the right position and resize it. From the toolbar at the top, you can change the font style, adjust the text size, and pick any color you want. You can also change the colors of the elements you added earlier if you want the design to match your vision. When you are satisfied with your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download. Choose PNG as the file type, and make sure to check the transparent background option if your printer requires it. Save the file to your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.